Have you ever been told that weight loss food has to taste like cardboard? What if I told you that most tofu recipes aren't boring? They're just missing one thing: flavor. Today we're not just cooking, we're building a dish using the logic of simple, actually delicious tofu recipes, the kind that support your metabolism and your overall health. If you've struggled with bland zucchini recipes or boring broccoli recipes before, it's not your fault. You are missing the formula that makes healthy food genuinely crave-worthy. This isn't just another quick and easy recipe. This is high-performance fuel for your body. To start our nutritional engineering, we will need specific high-performance ingredients: tofu, zucchini, red pepper, broccoli, extra virgin olive oil, and garlic. And I will explain why we use these particular ingredients. Step 1. We slice the tofu. In the world of high-protein plant sources, this is essential. Tofu contains complete plant protein and isoflavones. A 2025 study by Nakamoto M. showed that higher isoflavone intake is associated with a smaller reduction in hippocampal volume, which is why it's so beneficial for the brain. But the benefits don't stop there. Tofu consumption is linked to a reduced risk of ischemic heart disease, improved vascular function, and a decrease in LDL cholesterol. However, to maximize the effect of these tofu recipes, we need to add a detoxification layer. Next, we prep the broccoli and red pepper. Daily, we are exposed to hundreds of toxins, from heavy metals and endocrine disruptors to biotoxins. This is where broccoli recipes become vital. Certain edible plants contain molecules that bind these toxins and eliminate them from the body. Cruciferous vegetables, specifically broccoli, are key detoxifying plants. By including them in our weight loss recipes, we are facilitating this natural removal process. But even with this detox, we need to address oxidative stress, which is the key mechanism of brain aging, and that's why we need the next ingredient. Now's the perfect time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Step 3. We cube the zucchini. This is a crucial part of our healthy recipes for weight loss because zucchini is a source of antioxidants and carotenoids linked to lower cardiovascular disease risk. It contains compounds that help reduce oxidative stress, which is a key mechanism in brain aging. Zucchini is low in calories and supports metabolic health while also having the potential to lower cholesterol through dietary fiber and phytosterols. Dissolved fiber reduces cholesterol absorption, while phytosterols compete with cholesterol in the gut. However, to protect the brain's neural tissue from inflammation, we must prepare the final infusion. Step 4. We blend the garlic and olive oil. In our quick and easy recipes, this is the most critical step for brain protection. The primary components of olive oil, monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and vitamin E, work together to reduce LDL cholesterol when they replace saturated fats. But more importantly, studies show that olive oil improves memory and strengthens the blood-brain barrier. This is what protects your brain's neural tissue from toxins and inflammation, thereby reducing the risk of cognitive impairment and neurodegenerative diseases. While most weight loss food ignores this, we are actively shielding your nervous system. Step 5. We toss the vegetables in the garlic-infused oil and bake. This isn't just one of those healthy recipes for weight loss, it's a targeted intervention. You've used broccoli recipe's logic to bind toxins and tofu's isoflavones to protect your hippocampus, but wait until you see the final macro breakdown. Here is the data. For only 400 calories per serving, you are getting a massive dose of high protein and cellular protection. Next time, we're making tofu with red rice and broccoli. And trust me, it's going to be insanely good for you too.